Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a forklift replacement on my Mercedes Benz W204. Enjoy. Hi folks, this is the job for the day. I'm replacing this bit. It's easier to access via the wheel arc. That's why I turned my wheel to the right so that I can be able to remove this cover. Also remove the bottom bit. But I'm pretty sure I can manage with just the wheel arc cover. Okay, so I need to remove these pushing fittings there. There's one there. So it's in total 1, 2, 3. 3 of them there. Then there is a nut and bolt at the top. Then there's another nut and bolt by the side there. Yep. Once I remove those, I should be able to access the back of this. On some models, there'll be holes here with screws and you can remove the front bit, but here there isn't. There's just a hole for the adjustment, beam adjustment screw. Basically, if you turn that, you can be able to adjust your angle. So this is my tool for the day for removing those fittings. It's plastic so it doesn't damage the fitting. So that fitting has two sections, the top one and the bottom one. So you make sure you sandwich it in between those two sections and you pry forward the top section. So once that top section has been pried, you can then pry the bottom section. And I think the nuts are actually 10 millimeter size. Those remaining ones. There are two more nuts at the bottom to detach that same cover that you want to remove, and these are different size now. These are now M8, so you just get your ratchet and remove those two at the bottom. I've put my chokes on the rear wheels. Now I'm going to raise the car so that I get a bit of clearance at the front. Need a bit more force on this. That's the harness removed. The good bit about it is got that groove there, which matches with the protrusion on the male part of the connector. Foolproof, you can only go in one direction. Insert and turn. When it's been connected, the part which clips to the cable will be facing down. Now I need to screw the new housing on the car. Just tightening back the housing. I'll do the same at the top here.